Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahika here. This is the question 2 of exercise 11.2 chapter 1 parameter and area. So let's begin with it. So this is our second question. Here we have to use the area of the triangle. So let us first read the question. Find the area of each of the following triangles. A is 3 centimeter the length and 4 is the downward part, that means base, and this is the height. So let's begin with it. So here we have to use the area of triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into B into H. 1 upon 2 into base into height. I am writing the short form. If you want to write, you can write full with spelling, base into height. So let us now put the unit. 1 upon 2 into base is 4 centimeter. 4 into height is 3. So here I have written it, and you can, if this number is cutting from any of these, so you have to cut it. So I can see that 2 is dividing by 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So now the there is 1 now down, so 1 is not divisible by any number. So now we will be multiplying 1 into 2 into 3. So here 1 upon 2 into 4 into 3, and you can see that 2 has been cutted with 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now here down is 1, so here we are now left with the multiplies numbers only. So 1 into 2 into 3. So here now we have to write the answer. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Here it is 6, and the unit is centimeter. Centimeter, and it is asking for area. So 6 centimeter square. You can see that we have used for area of triangle 1 upon 2 into B into H, means 1 upon 2 into 4 into 3. So now let's go to second part. So here this is a B part. Here its height is 3.2 centimeter and base is 5 centimeter. So let us do it. Here I have already written the area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2. So our base is 5 centimeter. 5 into height is 3.2. Here there will be what the multiplication, divide, or plus or minus, what we have to do in any question. I will be solving it here. So this is my rough work. Let me write it. So now I will be solving it. So here I think 2 and 3.2 will be divided. So let me divide it. 2, 3.2. This is the rough work. You do not have to show it here the calculation. You just have to straight away write the answer. But you have to solve it also. In mind, if we do, sometimes our calculation should be wrong. 2 ones are 2. 1, 2. Here you do not need to put a point. The answer will be coming. We can straight away put there a point. So 2 की टेबल में अब 12 कितने में आता है? 2 6 12. So here it is 60, but here it will be 1.6. 1.6 because here you can see that 3.2 is there, और पॉइंट जो लगा वो 2 के बाद है, मीन्स एक नंबर के बाद है. तो हमारा जो आंसर आएगा उसमें भी हम एक नंबर के बाद ही लगाएंगे पॉइंट. अगर यहाँ पे 0.3 के आगे होता और उसके आगे 0 होता तो हम इसका मतलब यहाँ पर भी लगाते आंसर पॉइंट 1 के बाद, तो इसका आंसर हो जाता 0.0.1 1.6, बट अभी हमारा एक पॉइंट के साथ है तो 1.6. सो हेयर 1 और हेयर 1.6. Again we are left with 1 here below, so we will be now multiplying it. 1 into 5 into 1.6. आप 2 से 5 को भी डिवाइड कर सकते हो, वो पॉइंट में आएगा, बट जो ऑलरेडी पॉइंट में है और जो 2 से इजीली डिवाइड भी हो रहा है वो कर सकते हैं. हम इसको भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स योर विश इफ़ यू वांट टू डिवाइड विद 5 और 3.2. But I consider you should divide with 3.2. So here these are my multiply sign. And this step I am doing it extra to make you clear. यहाँ पे थोड़ी काटा वगैरह किया है मैंने, काटा फीटी की है, तो इसलिए मैं मल्टीप्लाई जो करना है मुझे वो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा अलग से 1 into 5 into 1.6. तो now let me multiply it. 5 ones are 5. Now let me do it. 1.6 into 5. 6 size 30. अब मल्टीप्लाई करने में आप पॉइंट लगा सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई में इजी है, बट डिवाइड में थोड़ी कभी कभार गड़बड़ हो जाती है. तो आप यहाँ पे पॉइंट तो लगा सकते हैं डिवाइडिंग पे, बट जो आप आंसर लिखेंगे उसको आप जब आ जाएगा आंसर तब आप पॉइंट लगा सकते हैं डिवाइडिंग में. 6 5 30. 5 1 5. 6 7 8. सो द आंसर इज 8. अब आप सोचोगे मैंने 8.0 लिखा, मैं आंसर 8 क्यों बोलूँ, क्योंकि अगर पॉइंट के बाद जीरो हो, चाहे कितने भी हो, 10 हो, 12 हो, 13 हो, पॉइंट का जीरो का कोई मायना नहीं रहता. जो पॉइंट के आगे नंबर है 8 16 जो भी है वो स्ट्रेट अवे आंसर होगा, तो हम पॉइंट नहीं लगाएंगे. सो आंसर इज 8. दिस इज अ फाइनल आंसर. 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो आपने देखा कि हमारा पॉइंट का जो भी जीरो होता है हम उसको कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं, तो पॉइंट के आगे जो भी नंबर होता है उसको कंसिडर करते हैं. सो लेट्स कम टू द थर्ड पार्ट. सो दिस इज अ सी पार्ट. हेयर इट इज 4 centimeter 3 centimeter. So 1/2. Here you can see the height is 4 centimeter and base is 3 centimeter. 3 into 4. And you can see that 2 is have been cutted with 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So again I am writing the extra one line for multiplication. It's your wish if you want to write or not. In this, if you are comfortable that you can see that 1 into 3 into 2, so you can do that. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 centimeter. Again it's asking for area of triangle, so area we always put square. So this was our C part. Now let's come to the D part. So this is our last part of this question, D part. Here this is the height and this is the base. 1/2 into 3 into 2. आप 3 को पीछे लिखे या आगे लिखे आंसर सेम ही आना है, but you have to put it in the correct order. Like that we have put the formula. So here we can see that 2 have been cutting from 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. And if you do cutting like this, you have to do from up to down, and from the right side you have to start from up like this. If you will be doing like this, ma'am should be cutting the marks or not. So here we are left with only 3 and 1. 3 into 1 into 1. तो मैंने 1 इसलिए अभी लगाया क्योंकि हमने 2 को 2 से काटा तो फिर भी 1 बचा है, तो इसलिए हम फिर भी लगाएंगे उसको. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 centimeter square. So this was our last question last question part of this. We will be meeting next video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. These are my all parts. So if you want no more new videos of this chapter, and we will be coming with some GK general knowledge question. If you want, please like, share and subscribe our channel.